Okay. It's got the buttons here. These are for your fog lights. Here's the extended cab. I don't know if these fold down or not, but it's got the full mat here. This thing slides open. Do these seats fold out? You want to show me how to do that? Oh, there we go. That's pretty neat. It's got full storage here. These are, I think, for the tow package. As you can see, everything works. There's no check engine lights or anything like that on. And you can see some of this stuff better in the pictures just because there's a lot of glare right now, but I mean, pretty much the same as the pictures.